APRA, the perfect shell for valuable electronics. You can't help but feel it, the pulse of the economy. More than 710 million checks, debit entries, transfers and card payments are processed by banks around the globe every day, and every single transaction must add up. In order to manage this huge volume of data professionally, banks rely on compact high-density servers in their computer centers. These modern high-performance computers place huge demands on the server racks, the cabinets in which they're kept. With this in mind, leading banks are putting their trust in the expertise of the apra-group. This small to medium-sized company, headquartered in Meerden in the Vulcan Eifel region, specializes in the perfect shell for valuable electronics. APRA offers its customers considerably more than just empty sheet steel cabinets. Aside from a balanced combination of metals and plastics, the APRA Group's core area of expertise is the manufacture of 19-inch cabinets and enclosures. Sophisticated systems for current distribution, air conditioning and systems engineering are among APRA's accomplishments. Of course, the APRA Group's product offering does not stop at server cabinets, but ranges from small cases to desktop enclosures and from sub-racks right through to industrial cabinets. From the large standard modular system, any number of different variants can be individually customized and assembled quickly and economically. Customers can order any quantity from 1 to 100,000 in series production. At its state-of-the-art production facilities, APRA works with various metals, from high-grade stainless steel right through to aluminium suitable for lightweight construction, as well as plastics, and uses a wide variety of technologies. Around 280 highly trained employees work for the APRA Group at the Meerden and Down sites in the Eifel region, in Neukirchen near Chemnitz, and at the sales companies in France and Poland. In addition to banks, other customers include leading enterprises from the areas of mechanical engineering, measuring and control engineering, medical technology, traffic engineering, and even the telecommunications industry. An important factor for the high quality of APRA products is the in-house design department. With experience spanning more than 40 years in the market, innovative standardized and bespoke solutions are developed here for APRA customers. Another decisive factor is the high level of vertical integration. The APRA team is skilled at a wide range of manufacturing procedures. The metal enclosure components are, for example, first punched out from large sheets, in the conventional way, or in conjunction with modern laser cutter heads, and a number of production stages are automated. The same applies to so-called folding, whereby the punched components are shaped, ensuring the precision of the parts for subsequent processes in a single step. Laser welding is characterized by its high processing speed and minimal thermal-related warpage. This process guarantees optimum weld seam quality and generally eliminates the need for finishing. The APRA Group opts for powder coating in its in-house paint shop. The coating of solvent-free powder is considerably more resistant than other conventional painting procedures. In a single step, parts to be coated are pre-treated in multiple stages, powder-coated, and then heated in a furnace to harden the powder coating and achieve high strength. Finished enclosures can then be marked according to customer specifications using screen or pad printing, or can be fitted with membrane keypads. APRA also produces plastic enclosures using various manufacturing procedures, starting from a batch size of 1. These procedures range from injection molding for large volumes and milling bending techniques, also with an innovative circular bending technique for small to medium volumes, right through to Syn Protec vacuum casting, which is used in rapid prototyping. During assembly, the various components are finally put together, allowing for combinations of different materials. If requested by the customer, the APRA Group also carries out cabling work. Cables and passive electronic componentry can be installed by the experienced team and checked according to strict test protocols. Furthermore, with its modern high-rack warehouse in Down, the apra-group is able to offer a special service, delivering many standard plastic enclosures and sub-racks directly from stock. Apra, the perfect shell for valuable electronics.